Me and the young fella, we're off on a quick overnight mission, heading up a nice little river. We've left the dogs behind and left the rifle behind as well. Got a couple of small spinning rods with us, and we're going to focus on trying to catch a trout, make a nice camp, have a good bushfire and relax for the evening. It's early arvo. Beautiful day. All good, mate?
Yeah.
Found the moss, eh?
Nice.
So yeah, up the river. One night camping up and try our luck for a little rainbow trout on the spinners. Yeehaw. Cool, awesome, mate. We'll clear it all out. The young fella's hard at it, setting up our bed spot. Gonna string up a fly, fireplace. Just set up the fly, get our beds ready soon. The young fella's on fire duties. All good, my man? Yeah. Beautiful posse. Absolutely zero trout today. We tried our hardest. Would have seen probably 2 or 3 in every good pool, but they just weren't interested in the spinners. Tried a few different spinners. Not sure what's going on. Might have to go old school and use a few water spiders and big worms tomorrow. Get the young fella onto one so we can have a cook up. Epic. So we'll set up our beds, get into some warm clothes, put a brew on, cook this fella some dinner. I'll have a feast as well, and then he wants to go on a night walk. See how many possums we see tonight.
And what's the marshmallows on a stick? They might be tasty, but they're actually on a stick. Hey, hey.
Yee-hee-hee-hee. Nice show, brother.
Excuse me. If we want to see those buttons, we'll have to,
Healthy looking dinner you got there, pal. What's in the bowl?
Pastas, broccoli, carrots, and that's it. And it's hot on my lips.
Warm your belly. What happened to the fish?
Oh, didn't get any.
The full moon way up there. And Noah, turn around, dude. Yee-hee. Bit of a night walk. Seen one possum so far, and one spider, eh, mate? Morning of day 2. Had a terrible sleep. She was a bit cold, hey Noah?
Yeah.
Me and the young fella ended up spooning because I didn't have a sleeping mat. He had a half-size human one, so he was alright, but his sleeping bag wasn't too flash. So we jumped in a sleeping bag together and chucked the other one over top. Had a bit of a yak for a few hours, in and out of snoozing. It is winter time, and there was a good southerly boosting down the river. But yeah, glorious morning this morning. The sun's coming up, and hopefully another hour and a half it should be right on us. So we're just cranking up the fire. I've already had a coffee and the young fella's had his Weet-Bix. And I'll make a big feast, maybe a couple more hot drinks. And we'll just muck around. Oh, here's that sunshine bait. Wait for that to come and warm us up as well. Pack up our gears and go fishing for the day.
I got a hook.
Yee-hee. Hopefully you can hook some of those fish today, eh?
Yeah. I'm fire.
How do you reckon we try catch them today?
With bugs.
With bugs, you reckon?
Spiders. Creepy crawlies.
Sounds good to me, mate. We'll go old school. Day 2. Hikoi out of the bush. A little blue bushman. Won't get lost. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Finally hooked one on the spinner. It's a nice rainbow, mate. Good work. He's sitting out in the thick current. Keep the tip up if you can, bud. Yee-hee-hee-hee. Nice little river fish. Good work, bud. Keep coming down this way, just walk slowly. Keep that tip right up in the sky, bud. Up high. He's taking you for a run, mate. Keep coming down, bud. Quick, quick, quick. Walk this way, he's behind the... Go. That's it. Okay, what you need to do is you gotta pull him this way. Get him away from that rock. Oh, we're gonna lose him. Yep, there we go. Good one. Now come down, keep walking down, and just real fast. Yep, bring him in real fast, right up. You gotta try and lift that tip up as much as you can. Okay, now walk down with him. Yep, catch up to him. He's taking you for a good run, bud. Keep going. That's it. And then you can try and pull him in here. Oh, no. Just walk up to the edge. Oh, jeepers! Okay, we might lose him here. You hold the camera and I'll try to get him out from that rock, eh? I'll have to walk out there.
Okay.
Just hold it.
What? I just got a fishy. Oh.
No good, eh? Dead. Dead ruins it. What do you reckon, mate? Good fun though, eh? Took us for a burn. Oh dear. We didn't get him, no, but that's okay, mate. Dad ruined that one. Tried to get him from behind the rock and then put too much pressure on and popped the hook. Oh well, we've still got about an hour of walking before we get back to the vehicle. So fingers crossed we'll have a crack at another couple of goodies. Nice bit of watercress. Beautiful. Fishing the canyon. And just down in there there's a beautiful rainbow.
Oh, that was a good cast.
Good cast, mate. Pull it past him. Not interested, eh? The end to a good trip. Pick up from the girls. Fresh homemade cookies. And a cold steiny. What do you reckon, dude?
Go.
You had fun? Yee.